I'm driving here on the freeway, and as you can see, it looks foggy. That's the smoke from the Canadian wildfires. This is Minneapolis here. So the smoke came all the way to Minnesota from Canada. Looks very foggy, but that smoke. The air quality is really bad. All the outdoor activities like football practice was canceled today here in the Twin Cities, Minnesota. Thank you for joining me here. I hope you're doing well. Give us a like, smash that button, subscribe. Come back and watch the playlists. Soon you're gonna see the skyways. Not the skyways, the skyscrapers. Or the skyline of Minneapolis. Right now you can't see it because the buildings are covered with the smoke. Don't know if you can see the sun up there. Looks like a small orange dot. Vehicle broke down right there. That's Minneapolis skyline right there. You can see the tall buildings, but they're covered with the smoke, which looks like fog. That's all smoke, people. Pretty bad air quality today in Minnesota. Today and tomorrow. Thursday, Friday. Another car dead right there. City of Minneapolis covered with the smoke from Canadian wildfires. Now you see what we are going through here in Minnesota today. Wildfires from Canada. Traffic isn't that bad today. It's rush hour, but it's fine. Alright, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.